is free in clubs?
मुझे क्या पता यार, मतलब मैं तो गया ही नहीं हूँ पब्स में.
Maybe to attract more crowd.
So that more boys can come.
So that more boys can come. मतलब लड़की आएंगी तो लड़के ज़्यादा आएंगे.
I don't know. I mean, I guess they need to maintain some kind of a ratio in all the lounges, you know. There's not a lot of safety around these areas, right? So girls, they need more safety. I don't know, whatever. It's just
Oh, I think it's look. I'm not from India, but I think one of the reasons that I would think so could be because that attract more of the women and men's crowd, of course, in the club, which brings more business. So I think in a way it's actually just to bring more crowd in. That's all I think so.
I guess this is free for a reason because they spend too much time on their makeup and try to look good. So I think they deserve a free entry. For guys, it's just put on a t-shirt and jeans and they're good to go. So just as a compliment, girls should be allowed for free because they do so much work and it's so much effort to get ready. So I will give them free pass for that.
Just you are like returning favor. Like you are looking gorgeous, so we are returning favor for it.
See, that's the why clubs are getting business because girls are looking good. So guys should pay to get in and the girls should be free because if you start charging them, nobody would go to the clubs anymore.
I think we are equal everywhere. Like we are getting the same salary as men do. So why not pay for our drinks as well?
Well, not every girl thinks like that, so there's a difference. And maybe she could be lying because of camera.
Maybe he's lying because of the camera.
Okay, so if you put it on, if you see her anywhere in the club, make sure you charge her because she's willing to pay and I'll get in for free.
Let's see. Okay.
Buy free liquor is offered to girls only in pubs.
Oh, really? I think
Yeah.
I feel like I should be a girl.
well, you see, everyone wants to impress a girl.
Everyone wants to impress a girl.
Free liquor, maybe more of the girls can't afford it because they spend all of their money in shopping, I think. So to make them experience, and I don't know the
To
reason
make them
behind.
experience like हम लोग आपको फ्री में दे रहे हैं मैडम ताकि आप पिएं और हमारे पास बार बार आएं दारू पी के हैं.
क्यों तो मतलब ये होना नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि ये वैसे सब लोग इक्वलिटी की बात करते हैं लेकिन वहाँ पे किसी को ज़्यादा बाइसिंग मिलती है तो इट्स नॉट गुड, इट्स नॉट फेयर विद बॉयज़. सो आई थिंक जेंडर इक्वलिटी की बात करते तो हमें भी मतलब इक्वल ट्रीट करना चाहिए हर जगह.
फेयर नहीं है यार, लड़कियों ये फेयर नहीं है.
They can't handle more than 2 pegs, you know. So that is why. So that is why they have given free alcohol.
No, we give free alcohols to get their numbers and try to see, because we go out to socialize. I go out to find my wife. I used to go out so I can find my wife, you know. And
You are just like going to find your wife in the clubs only.
मैं मम्मी को ही बोलता हूँ, मम्मी कहती रात को कहाँ जा रहा हूँ, मम्मी कहती मम्मी बीवी ढूंढने जा रहा हूँ मैं. So I was like, yeah, I'm going out to find my wife. I'll give her a drink and see if we can talk further from there. और अगर कुछ बन गया तो घर ले आएंगे मम्मी के साथ.
बन गया तो अपनी है नहीं तो कोई बात नहीं.
कोई बात नहीं, एक और ड्रिंक किसी और के लिए बाय कर लेंगे.
Look, I think that's probably, again, it's the same philosophy, it's the same culture, same way of running the business. But honestly, I think, again, it comes down to the ratio of men versus women. If you have a more, men in a nightclub, obviously that's not going to attract more men coming in. So the way for them to attract more crowd in, so they're going to have to bring girls in first and they can actually get the more men in as well. So I think that's just the ripple effect of everything that they do.
Why it is always said ladies first?
A gentleman must do that. I do that.
You
And
also
I
do
will,
that?
yeah, and I would like my fellow mates to also do that, you know.
Basically, you want to say that is for the sake of respect of girls.
Not respect, it's a matter of mannerism.
Mannerism, right?
Look, I think that should be more anyway. It's just a common practice. I think it's just the gentleman way of saying, that ladies should always take the priority. So is the women and kids and elderly. But I think that's just my philosophy. I'm not sure exactly what you meant by in terms of the pubs or it's just in general. But I think in general, the ladies should always be the first preference taken.
लेडीज़ को हम लोग थोड़ा रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं. वी कीप देम ऑन प्रायोरिटी. तो मेरे हिसाब से वो ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. मतलब वो थोड़ी नाजुक होती है ना तो उन्हें थोड़ा सहेज के रखो, लेडीज़ फर्स्ट. नॉट एवरी टाइम. आई मीन जब ट्रबलसम सिचुएशन हो तो फिर बॉय शुड बी ऑन फ्रंटियर.
We say women first because अंदर जाके कुछ गड़बड़ हो रही है ना तो हम पीछे से निकल लेंगे, लड़कियां फंसेंगी आगे जाके.
Naughty guy. Earlier you were
But
saying
like,
like
it's just a way of like respecting a girl. Okay, you're first. We being a gentleman at that time.
inside you are being gentle or like भैया पंगा हो तो like लड़की फंसे?
वो तो मजाक था कि चल ठीक है इसको आगे भेजो भूत होगा तो हम निकल लेंगे पीछे से but it's a gesture of like respect, you know, women's first and that's it. They are pretty delicate. I mean, y'all are. You cannot deny that women's are not delicate. Men's are stronger.
Yeah.
So it's like, okay, you go first, and we got your back.
Okay. Do you think this is injustice with boys or men?
मतलब ऐसा तो बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए. ऊपर से अकेला बंदा जाए तो बहुत सारा पे करना होता है. मतलब that's not fair, not at all fair. मतलब कल मैं गया था परिक्रमा में, तो they said stag entry is not allowed. I said I'll be with my friends. So they said for couple it's 5500 and for you only like single stag entry 3500. So that's unfair, totally unfair.
मतलब सिंगल्स की वैल्यू नहीं है.
Not at all. Yeah, ये injustice है. ये purely मतलब I would say it's unfair. Please do something for us. Stag single boys. और वैसे भी अच्छे दिन आए नहीं अभी तक यार.
हाँ यार सिंगल्स के लिए अच्छे दिन नहीं आए मोदी जी.
That's why, because the owner wants to make money. If they start charging them money, they won't go anymore.
Right.
और अब लड़के नहीं जाएंगे तो लड़के भी क्या करेंगे जाके? तो उनको फ्री में जाना ही पड़ता है. It's business.
You think like it's fair with girls, right?
I think it's fair. Like they spend a lot of time in makeup. Heels पहन के घूमना, it's hard. I can't do that. So इतना कुछ करके वो आ रहे हैं. I think they deserve free entry at least.
Girls, we deserve free entry. कोई अगर कुछ बोले तो भाई साहब का सीन दिखा देना, लगा देना.
Hey guys, thanks for diving into Viral Square. I, Karan,
And Supriya.
are waiting for your response on.
Why girls get free entry in clubs?
Well, I think this is unfair with the boys.
Why? No, not at all. I don't think so. You boys always chase girls. That's why you should be charged, not us.
Just leave her. What do you think? Tell us in the comment section below.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Viral Square.
Till then, bye bye. See you soon.
Guys, how was your 2016?
It was good.
It was fun.
Outstanding.
Very good.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah.
It was fine, nothing great.
All enjoy.
Awesome. I think it was